All right, now let's talk all things back to school. Maybe you're up getting the coffee, getting the kids, getting the backpacks ready. More students are returning to the classroom this morning as the new school year kicks off. 11 districts are opening their doors, including Atlanta Public Schools. Not only is the district returning with new COVID protocols, there's also some new start times. Maura Sirianni joins us live outside Ralph Bunche Middle School with a look at the district's plans to keep your students safe. Good morning, Maura.
That's right. Good morning, Aisha. And so the spotlight really is on APS today. And I want to get right into it because I am joined now by Superintendent Dr. Lisa Herring. Thank you so much for being with us today. I know we have about 600 kids who are opting for that virtual option. So that means a lot more kids are going to be in these school buildings this year. What are things going to look like for them?
Yes, and so you're absolutely right. Good morning. A little over 600 going into Atlanta Virtual Academy, AVA Junior, and our full secondary AVA. But the vast majority of our scholars will be coming into the brick and mortar. So what they'll be entering into is first a culture of welcoming them back. We're glad to be able to physically see them and safely embrace them into our buildings. It's certainly no secret that we will be executing universal masking, and so we will be masked up here in Atlanta Public Schools, but certainly there are points throughout the day where masks are optional relative to when students are eating and certainly outside play and when there are moments for a break. In addition to that, social distancing, and this the protocol as it relates to all that we can do to maintain a clean environment. I think really what's most impactful is the fact that it's been 18 plus months for some of our scholars. It's not new to be in school, it's just a new normal for them to be back in school. And so we are really focused on a welcoming environment, the energy in which we're able to provide for our scholars, and just to get them ready for academic improvement and acceleration given this last year and a half.
And you have really put an emphasis on the vaccine and encouraging those who are eligible to get the vaccine. Talk to me about what y'all are doing Monday as far as in your middle and high schools.
So we cannot emphasize this enough. In Atlanta Public Schools, we are making the vaccine available to our staff and to our students in every middle and high school, so they can get vaccinated on site. Currently, only 18% of our eligible population for students have been vaccinated, and a little over 58% for faculty and staff. We need to see that number increase. We're making that available at all middle and high schools starting August 9th.
And masks are mandated. Where are you on a potential vaccine mandate at this point? Still exploring the option?
So exploring is a very fair statement. We are exploring that. Again, we're looking at the data and we're hoping to see an increase in those who participate in making it that much more available and accessible to them. And also educating them. For those who haven't vaccinated yet, we realize that that's also an important part.
And last year was tough, but y'all handled it so well. Talk to me lastly about supporting kids who may have fell behind last year.
So we were very intentional around several things. Our summer academic recovery initiatives, we did that this past summer for about 11,000 students. We did augment the schedule so that we can ensure that enrichment and acceleration would be a part of what students need while they're in school as they start this school year. And we were also intentional about investing in support for mental health. We have additional school psychologists as well as additional social workers who will be on staff to help support our families and our students.
It's awesome. Really gearing up going into this school year. Thank you so much, Dr. Herring, for making time for us this morning. I know you're very busy going around to all the different schools today, talking to students, talking to staff members, really just encouraging them on this first day. I know kids are also excited to see their friends. So again, a very happy first day back for APS. Wishing them a happy, healthy, and a safe first day.
All right, Maura, thank you. More metro school districts are making changes because of rising COVID infections. DeKalb County Schools visitors and volunteers are no longer allowed on DeKalb County School premises until further notice. The district says it will continue to monitor the data and hope to reopen eventually. Cobb County Schools just released guidance saying students exposed to COVID will have to wear a mask in school, but they can return if they're asymptomatic. Otherwise, whether they wear a mask is up to them. For more information on back to school, including those start times, mask and vaccine policies, head to 11alive.com.